Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to see how to design Twitter cover template in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download all the files used in this tutorial. Link in the description. Download it, use it. If you got any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. In case if you want that completely designed .psd file means, hit the like button soon after reaching 100 likes. I'll give you the download link. Fine, let's get started. First go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a PSD file called header. Open the file inside Photoshop. This one is a design ready file. Size is standard Twitter header size. You can straight away start designing it. First we are going to create a solid color background. For that, go to background folder, create a layer. Go to color picker, select white color. Fill the color using keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Next we are going to bring in our background images. For that, select image folder. Now go to the folder you downloaded, open image 1 inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. This image is already cropped, so you don't need to do anything. All you got to do is just resize the image by enabling free transform tool, Ctrl T. By holding shift key, I'll resize the image. Next we are going to bring in cloud image. For that, select the background folder. Now go to the folder you downloaded, open image 2 inside Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Now resize the image by enabling free transform tool, Ctrl T. By holding shift key, I'll resize the image. Fine, I'll settle with this one. Next we are going to bring in model image. Before that, let's create image placeholder. For that, go to image folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select black color. Now select shapes tool. In shapes tool, select ellipse tool. By holding shift key, create a circle shape like so. I'll place it at the center. Next I'm going to add a minimal effect to this circle shape. For that, select the respective layer, right click, blending option, select stroke. I'll go with some kind of off black color. I'll keep the size as 9, position as outside. I'll reduce opacity down to 32%. Click OK. Next we are going to bring in our image. Go to the folder, open image 3 inside Photoshop. Obviously you can use your image. Now drag and drop the image inside your canvas. Make sure to place the image right above the circle shape layer. We are going to clip mask the image. Right click, create clip masking. Now we are going to resize the image. Enable Ctrl T. By holding shift key, resize the image. Fine. Next we are going to add shadow to our placeholder. For that, create a layer, go to color picker, make sure the color is black. Now enable brush tool, select soft round brush, this one. Now select brush size something like this one and give a single click. Sorry, my flow is 50%, I'll increase it down to 100. Now give a single click. Now enable free transform tool. Now bring down the top point down below like so. Click enter. Now I'm going to place the shadow down here. If you want, you can reduce the shadow opacity a little bit. I'll reduce it down to 70%. Fine. Next we are going to add our name. Go to text folder, create a layer, go to color picker, make sure the color is black. The font I'm using is a free font. I'll give link in the description. You can download it if you want. I'm going with size 62. Type your name. I'll place that left side here. Next we are going to add our social media URLs. Before that, let's bring in social media icons. For that, go to the folder you downloaded, open icons PSE inside Photoshop. You will find two already pre-designed icons. Now drag and drop the icons folder inside our canvas. Make sure to place the icons folder right above the text folder. I'll move the icons and place it somewhere here. If you want, you can move the icons and change the spacings. It's up to you. Now I'm going to add my social media URLs. Go to text folder, create a layer. Again, I'm going to the same font. Here I'm going to reduce the font size down to 29%, points. I'll create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J, move it here. Next, I'm going to adjust the spacings. Fine, next I'm going to add a divider line between the social media icons. For that, go to design folder, create a layer, go to color picker, make sure the color is black, select line tool. I'll keep the weight as 2 pixels. Now I'm going to create a small line, vertical line like so. Fine, it's up to you, you can create it if you want. Now our Twitter cover pic is almost ready. As a final step, we are going to make the image look a little bit vibrant. For that, go to effects folder, create a layer, change the blending option to color dodge. Now go to color picker, select some kind of dark green color, something like this one. Click OK, enable brush tool, select soft round brush, this one. I'll reduce the flow down to 50%. Now zoom in and reduce the brush size a little bit. Now give a few clicks here to the plants. Now you may notice that the image looks a little bit vibrant. Next we are going to add a vibrance adjustment layer. I'll increase the vibrance a little bit. Saturation something around 3 to 4. So our Twitter cover pic is ready. Now you can export the file as JPEG or PNG and you can use it in your Twitter ID. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care.